In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a TradingView chart, a simple yet essential skill for anyone working with financial charts or collaborating on trading strategies. The ability to capture and share your charts is invaluable for analysis, seeking guidance, or merely keeping a record of your thoughts and predictions. Let's dive into these straightforward steps to make sure you can effortlessly copy and share your charts with whoever you need. First, let's begin by accessing the TradingView platform. If you're not already familiar with TradingView, it's a fantastic charting tool used by traders across the globe for its advanced charting options and comprehensive analytical tools. Once you navigate to the chart that you wish to copy, you'll notice a camera icon located conveniently on the right side of the interface. This icon is quite symbolic and straightforward as it replicates the function of taking a snapshot. Similar to a camera, clicking this camera icon is your first step towards capturing the chart. After you click, a drop-down menu will appear. The options might seem a bit puzzling at first, but don't worry, we're looking for one specific function: copy image. When you click on copy image, this action will store the image of your chart directly to your clipboard. This makes it incredibly easy because from your clipboard, you can paste it just about anywhere, be it in an email, a document, or a direct message, to share with friends, colleagues, or your trading group. It's important to note that you're not just taking an ordinary screenshot. By using this built-in tool, you ensure that you get a high-quality image, preserving all the intricate details and annotations you've added to your chart. These details often include crucial information and insights, and they need to be clear when viewed by someone else. One of my personal tips when using this feature is to make sure all your annotations are clear and any sensitive information is either hidden or edited out afterward if you're sharing it in a public forum. Whether you're showcasing your latest analysis or discussing a newly developed strategy, clarity is vital for effective communication. And there you have it. You can now effortlessly copy your TradingView charts, making sure they're ready to share or archive. By mastering this simple process, you're ensuring your charting work is both versatile and portable, helping you to collaborate and communicate with ease. Thanks for joining in today, and keep those charts coming.